Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is time to plan in my print impressions weeks, and I do have yet another weekly kit from Spotted Gum. You guys know I'll use one of these every week. They are so easy to use and I love them. So we are going to be planning, this was this past week, so now we need to move into this week. And yeah, let's get started. You guys know that I also really enjoy pulling in stickers from like these Happy Planner books and things like that. This one's coming apart because I've used it so much. But I found a couple of different stickers from this that I think I can marry together with this. So with that being said, I'm just going to kind of pull these out. These are really large stickers, and I hate not using them. So I have decided that I'm going to start using these as much as possible. And I've been doing that pretty well for a while. Let me see if I can get this right on the edge of the paper. Yeah, and I did come up just a little bit right here because the bottom washi is going to cross here. I do like that idea of layering, so yeah. Now let me get the other one that matches that. These have the same green tones. A lot of different color greens in this sticker book, but this actually has these same cool tones, so I thought they would be great to use. I don't want to put it, it's almost like they're, how do I want to do this? I'm not really sure how I want to do this, guys. What do you think? I wish you could tell me. I think I'm going to do it like this. I think I'm going to put it like this right here on the edge. And then I'm just going to grab some scissors and trim this off. All right, that is trimmed off. And that brings some color, brings in some color. Because this is, it has gold foil, but it's just different shades of green and white. So let's go ahead and go in on the bottoms and put these in. I do really enjoy layering in this book, in this planner. It gives me a little bit more creative freedom, I guess you could say, that I can, you know, use stickers from other places and that sort of thing. So let's just see how this goes. So you can see it does overlap. It may look a little bit funny right now, but I think you'll understand what we're doing as we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with, we're gonna do this week up here at the top like we always do. I'm gonna turn it upside down since I've got that layered there. We're just gonna kind of do it like this. The good thing about these is they are matte. So, you know, you can layer them just fine. Let's go ahead and go in with this for Monday. But yeah, you can layer over them just fine and you don't have to worry about any skipping or slipperiness or anything like that. Okay, I really like this, and you know, I don't really focus on my this week thing really as much as I do my dailies anyway. This is sort of like a quick reference situation. So, you know, writing on top of that is really just fine with me. I don't mind it at all. I'm just trying to use up stickers that I have that it would be such a waste to have bought and not use. So yeah, but I use these every week. Of course, her shop is always listed down below. I use one every week and it has just worked out really good for me. Everybody has different needs and this takes care of mine. So I'm good with it like that. And then I get to use this completely up, just like I tell you every week. I get to use it completely up and I don't feel like there's a waste at all, which is always good if I can get this one to lift up. Come on. It's really this buttery, soft matte paper, and I really love it. Okay, let's go in with the handy dandy tweezers that I have here. And let's go in with some of our checklists. We're going to put this one underneath this week right here. Just kind of layer it underneath like that right there. And then I'm going to do the next week. Just going to put it right here. Let's put it right there. And I can list off anything I need to. I do think I have enough for 2, 4, 6. Yep, I've got enough for a 3-heart checklist underneath there. Just like that. Cute, cute, cute. And you can see it just fine. The full kind of grabs the light. It's just fine. Okay, let's go in and put in a checklist for each day. This is like my top 3 of the day. I have some dental work that's going to be happening today, later this afternoon. And then I've got a doctor's appointment later in the week. Just different things going on. And I want to get this ready to go so I can put this in my purse and it will be nice and handy and that sort of thing for the week. I really do love this. I actually won this setup in a contest. Andrea from Scribble Prints Co. was holding I don't know, it was some sort of a giveaway or whatever, and I won it. Oh my gosh, guys, I have loved it so much so far. So even though, you know, I wasn't truly planning or whatever, this would have been really easy just to jot things down in. I got completely away from the planning process, which I really hate. I'm not going to put a list on Sunday. I don't think that I need one. I think the only thing that I really want to do is I'm just going to put planning sesh, and let's layer that with a heart, this foil heart. Let's go ahead and use this because that's the main thing that I do on Sundays is I sit down and I pre-plan, and if I have time, I go ahead and film. If not, then at least I have my pre-planning done, and all I have to do is edit and upload on Monday. So yeah, it's not too hard like that. Okay, I do have an appointment. We're going to put that for this afternoon. It's like I explained in my other video, but if you didn't watch it, I just had a really good dental report for my 6-month checkup, but I have a tooth that has been kind of sensitive. So she's just going to replace the filling in it and hope that that solves the problem, which I'm sure it will. I don't see why it wouldn't. Okay, and then I have got another appointment on this day. I'll just put that here. And then I want to include, I'll go ahead and put a box down, and then I can just write in the doctor's name and that sort of thing. Wednesday is going to be self-care, and I have that here, and I want to use this box for that because I don't have a full week or whatever, so I'm going to take advantage of it and do some self-care. I want to do a face mask. I want to do a hair mask. I also have one of those, I don't know if you guys like, it's called baby feet or baby foot or whatever, but it's the stuff you put your feet in and you soak it for like an hour, and it makes all of the dead skin kind of peel away and everything. I've never used it myself. I've seen a lot about it, and I bought one, so I wanted to try that. I do get regular pedicures, but dry skin and just really gets me. So I think that I want to do a whole bunch of things just to take care of me on Wednesday. Okay, another thing that I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and mark, I think, and I'll just do it with this last thing here. I've got some bills that I need to call and pay either today or tomorrow, the next day, just depending on whenever I have a moment that I can sit down. But I'm just going to kind of layer that right there. I love the colors that I brought in. I like the layered look. A lot of people don't. Only thing I have left is this payday and this, and I don't need that. I can actually chunk that away. Let me go in and find a few things to layer with and make it all nice and cute out of my gold things. I love this kind of stuff. So let's go in with this. This is a favorite to use for this particular setup because it's got a lot of like floral and bows and things like that. It's really good for what I use it for. So I'm going to kind of go in with this one right here. So stinking cute. I'm just going to put this on the bottom like that. Really, really cute. And then I want to use this one, if I can get it to lift. Sometimes these just don't want to lift, guys, and I'm not really sure why. The other sheets I've gotten from Jackson Pepper, I've not had any issues, but this one this one particular one doesn't want to really do what I need it to do. But I'm just going to kind of put that right here. I love that it's little leaves. And it adds that touch of sparkle. Okay, and let's go in with this. I like to use these. They're actually upside down, I do believe, but that's the way I like to use them. So let me put that right here on this edge. There we go. Yay! And then I want to use this one. This is a thick stroke, a little bit wider. So it's nice to use when you're using it on top of things. And I'm just going to put it right there. And it'll bring a little additional sparkle. And guys, honestly, that's all there is to planning one of my PPWeeks weeks out. I mean, I am using as many stickers as I possibly can. I'm using all of it except for just 1 or 2 stickers usually. It now just requires me writing in some things, and that's it. It's so easy. I mean, it's the best way. If you're not into planning, I see it's one of the best ways to get into planning because it's really easy. You can buy stickers somewhere else and you can add them in, or you can just write everything. You don't have to buy any kind of stickers at all if you don't want to. But this is so handy, and it's in such a great size, which is perfect for putting in your purse or whatever. I absolutely love it. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this little plan with me. I hope that you liked seeing how I kind of lay things down and lay out my week. It's pretty much the same every week. The only thing that changes would be like appointment times and things like that, self-care. But overall, you're going to get the same layout on most of my videos. I really do have fun doing it because it is so quick and easy. I don't have to think about it a lot. And yeah, that's going to be it. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe by hitting the red subscription button below if you so choose to. I would love to have you become part of my YouTube family here. And that's going to be it. You guys have a great and fabulous week. Bye.